So what I want to do here is look at the traditional data flow in Qlik from left to right. So obviously on the left here, we've got a range of enterprise data sources. Traditionally, these data sources are going to be loaded into our Qlik environment on some kind of a task or refresh schedule. It might be hourly, it might be daily, but either way, it's on a fixed schedule that the user cannot have any control over. Now, you may have some other ETL process external to Qlik, or you might be fully using the Qlik ETL engine, but either way, you'll be creating a set of QVDs that your Qlik apps will be consuming. So what we have over on the right here is essentially our Qlik environment. So what's happening with the extension, and the extension's represented by that blue box in the middle. On the Qlik Sense server, we've got two components. We've got an extension that we import into the QMC, just like any other extension. And then we've got a Node.js app. And this is also installed and sits on that Qlik Sense server. So what's happening when the user makes edits is that the Node.js app that hosts the RESTful API receives those edits from the extension and then passes those edits into SQL queries. That data is then pushed to our SQL database. As soon as the data is committed to that SQL database, a partial reload of the Qlik application is triggered, and then that data is pulled back into memory into the Qlik app. So the key thing to note here is that while your traditional ETL flow is running on a schedule that may be hourly or daily, the writeback extension is enabling edits that update the data model in real time on demand based on the user's request, essentially.